A very good morning, students. There are two methods of credit control: quantitative methods of credit control and qualitative methods of credit control. In quantitative, the first one is bank rate. Bank rate is the rate at which central bank gives long-term loans to commercial bank. And to control the credit, when RBI increases the bank rate, the credit is controlled, the credit reduces. And when RBI decreases the bank rate, the credit expands. Coming to cash reserve ratio is the ratio at which commercial banks, cash reserve ratio is a percentage of the total deposits of the commercial bank that it has to keep with the Reserve Bank of India in the form of cash reserve. Cash reserve ratio is the percentage of total deposit that a commercial bank has to keep in the form of cash reserves with the RBI. If RBI wants to expand the credit, it decreases the cash reserve ratio, and when RBI wants to contract the credit, it increases the cash reserve ratio. Open market operation is the sale and purchase of securities in the open market or the money market, capital market by the Reserve Bank of India. If RBI wants to contract the credit, they sell the securities in the open market, and RBI, if they want to expand the credit, they purchase the securities in the open market. Qualitative methods are methods of talking, persuasion used by RBI. The first one being moral pressure. In this, moral pressure is a kind of suggestion that Reserve Bank of India makes to the commercial banks. For example, Reserve Bank of India advises all the commercial banks, do not lend money for speculation purposes. So that is a kind of moral pressure. Credit rationing. Credit rationing means setting up a maximum limit for giving the loans. In this, central bank set up a maximum limit of which commercial bank can give loan. Suppose they say that a commercial bank can give loan up to 200 crores. So, beyond 200 crores, the commercial bank cannot give the loan.